Hello guys, happy new year. Welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. I'm really so glad we all made it to 2019. It's amazing and I rejoice with every one of you. If you're just joining us for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. We are one family. If you have any comments, if you have any question, you can leave your comments or your questions in the description box below. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how I make this refreshing pineapple drink. Is what I'm having right away. It is something you can simply make at home. It's really simple, so if you want to see how I make this drink, keep watching. So here are the pineapples, very ripe pineapples, but I'm going to use just one of these, so I'm going to keep this aside. I'm going to start by peeling the pineapple. First of all, you make sure you rinse your pineapple very well. So now I'm going to cut the pineapple into smaller sizes. So here is the pineapple. I'm done peeling and dicing them into small cubes. So I'm going to bring it into a blender. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, but this is optional, and half glass of water to it. Then blend this until very smooth. Just add in the remaining pineapple. And here it is, we are done. I'm going to strain the pineapple using this strainer. So I'm done straining this. I'm going to discard the pulp. Here's your pineapple juice. It looks very thick and sweet. I just quickly transfer this into a jar. I'm going to be serving this in a glass cup. And I would love to test this. You can just drink this immediately or chill this in the fridge. It's really refreshing and I can't just wait to take a full glass of this. So friends, you can try this simple, amazing, refreshing drink at home. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful new year. Bye.